Hi, hello friends. In this video, we are discussing implementing queue using linked list. Also, we can call it as an linked queue. Here, mainly we are concentrating on function for delete an item from a linked queue. Before watching this video, please watch for function for insert an item into a linked queue. That link is given in the below description. Okay, for better understand delete an item from a linked queue, just observe below two figures. That is figure A and figure B. Figure A shows an empty queue linked condition and figure B shows an non-empty linked queue condition. Okay, here when the queue is empty, front is pointing to null value. Okay, next when the queue is non-empty condition, front is pointing to first node in the queue and rear is pointing to last node inserted into the linked queue. Okay, now here our objective is to delete nodes from linked queue or delete an item from a linked queue. How we are going to do that? First, okay, initially front where it is pointing? It is pointing to 1010, right? Just we'll trace the iterations. Okay, in first iteration, front is pointing to 1010. Okay, next here we need to take one temporary pointer, that is temp is equal to front, that is a pointer variable, temp equal to front. By doing this, front now temp is also pointing to same address, that is see here 1010. Next, after assigning temp equal to front, next we need to delete the value. Our deleted value is 10. Okay, our deleted value is 10. How we are going to delete? Temp of data. That value we are deleting from the queue. Okay, that we are displaying on the output screen. Next, after that we need to move front pointer 1010 to 1020. How we are going to do that? Okay, for example, temp of link contain 1020, right? Okay, now front equal to temp of link. Front equal to temp of link. By doing that, now front is pointing to 1020. Front is also pointing to 1020. Next, we are deleting this item or a node from a queue. From queue. How we are going to delete? By using free function. Free temp. Free temp. By doing this, we are deleting this node from the linked queue. Next, in second iteration, now front is pointing to 1020. Okay, just here I am going to write 1020. Next, again same process, temp equal to front, temp, that's equal to, this is pointer variable, temp equal to front, in the sense now temp is also pointing to same address, that is 1020. Okay, next we are deleted value, that value we are displaying on the output screen. How temp of data, what is the value presented here? 20. That is our next deleted value, 20. After deleting, next we need to move the front pointer, right? Okay, we need to move the front pointer. Front equal to temp of link. Temp of link, here what it contain? This is our temporary node. Temp of link, what it contain? Here it contain the null value. Temp of link is contain, next in third iteration, front pointer will contain null value. See here, front will contain null value. Next, we are deleting this node from a linked queue. How we are going to do that? By using free function, free temp. By making that, we are deleting this node from a list. Next, if you try to delete one more node, front equal to null. Once front equal to null, we'll come to know linked queue is empty. Okay, understood, right? Very simple. Okay, till now what we discussed, same thing here we have written code. Okay, just observe here. Here this is our delete function. First initial condition, that is front equal to null. In this condition, see here, front is pointing null value. Okay, in this situation we'll come to know q is empty. Same thing here we written. Once front equal to null, okay, we'll come to know q is empty. Next, for example, if this condition false, okay, front is not equal to null, in second, observe second figure here, okay, directly control goes to else part. Here first we are assigning temporary pointer, that is here temp equal to front. Okay, now temp is also pointing here. Next we are deleting this value. See here, deleted node, that is temp of data. Temp of data initially here, that is 10. Next we are moving front pointer here to here. Okay, by using this link, front equal to temp of link. Temp of link, it is pointing to this node. Okay, now front is pointing here. Next, free temp means we are deleting this node or item from a linked queue. Okay, next in second iteration, once again we are calling the delete function. Now front is pointing 1020. Okay, same process, again we are assigning temp equal to front. Now temp is also pointing to 1020. Next we are moving front here to here. Okay, that is front equal to temp of link. Temp of link, what it contain? Null value. See here, we are written here temp of link equal to null. Next, after that we are deleting this node from a linked queue, that is 1020. We are deleting this node from the linked queue. Next, if I try to call once again same function, now front value is also null, null equal to null. Once this condition become true, we are going to execute queue is empty condition. Okay, by doing this, we are deleting item from a linked queue. Understood, right? Very simple. Thank you, one and all.